Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to be talking about photographic portraits, and I'm going to talk about everything that you need to know to take stunning portrait photographs. A portrait photograph has been defined as an artistic representation of a person's face and body. The beauty of portrait photography is that you get the chance to capture a person's personality, their emotions and feelings in one single photograph. So let's get started with some tips on how you can create an unbelievable portrait. Now, firstly, know your subject. Take time to get to know the person you're photographing. Talk to them, ask them about their likes, their dislikes, their hobbies, their interests. Get to know them. This will help you get more personalized approach to the portrait, and the person's personality will therefore come through in the picture. It's obvious, isn't it, really? Secondly, the lighting is everything when it comes to a photography portrait. A person's face can look drastically different depending on the lighting. And if you don't have additional lighting, try using some natural light that'll come through a window, or take your shots during the golden hours like sunrise or sunset. That can make a big difference to the light. Thirdly, choose the right location. The perfect location can highlight or enhance a subject and even their personality. This could be anything from a simple background to a busy street in the city. But be creative. Search for unique locations that are going to bring out the best in your subject. Fourthly, I think it's important to get the right equipment. The equipment you use to take your portrait photographs can make or break your shot. A camera with a fast lens, for instance, could make a big difference. Tip 5, make your subject feel comfortable. This is probably one of the most important ones. You see, being photographed can be, well, it's an intimate experience, and it's essential that you make the subject feel comfortable. Establishing a rapport with the person before you begin to shoot will make the portrait so much better, so much more natural, and so much more personal. So that's it for today. Remember, portrait photography is a unique art. It requires patience and it requires the right approach. Knowing your subject, using proper lighting and choosing the right location, getting the right equipment and making your subject feel comfortable, well, they're all essential factors in taking an incredible portrait photograph. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more photography tips and tricks. Until next time, keep shooting and keep creating. Thanks for watching.